Hello everyone, my name is Hassan Businesswala and today I will be conducting an interview with Muniba Khan. We will be discussing artificial intelligence AI, its uses, benefits and impact on our daily life. I hope you will enjoy this informative conversation. Let's begin. So first of all, Muniba Khan, introduce yourself.
My name is Muniba Khan and also known as Muniba Craftswali and I'm a student of Rehan Teacher Training Bootcamp. Thank
Okay,
you
my
for
first question is
guest listen.
okay, my first question is to that what is artificial intelligence?
AI is a technology that allows machines to learn, think and make decisions. It helps computers perform tasks that usually require human intelligence.
Okay, my next question is why is AI important?
Why is AI important? Basically, AI makes work faster and more efficient, so it helps solve problems and improves productivity in many fields.
How does AI work?
AI works by analyzing data and learning patterns. It uses algorithm to make prediction and decisions.
Okay, what is machine learning?
Machine learning is a branch of AI and it enables computers to learn from data without being directly programmed.
Okay, what are some examples of AI?
AI examples voice assistants, self driving cars, chatbots, and recommendation systems are common examples of AI artificial intelligence.
Okay, how is AI used in education?
That's good. AI helps students learn thought, personalized lessons, and online tools. It also assists teachers with grading and planning.
And how is AI used in healthcare?
That's good for healthcare. AI helps doctors diagnose and analyzes medical data. It can improve patient care and treatment.
Okay, what are the benefits of AI?
AI saves time, reduces errors, and increases efficiency. It can handle repetitive tasks quickly.
Okay, so tell me that what are the advantages of AI?
According to your advantage and disadvantage differences, so disadvantage AI may replace some jobs and can be expensive to develop. It also depends heavily on data quickly.
Okay, can AI replace humans?
AI can perform many tasks, but it cannot fully replace humans. Creativity, emotions, and judgment is full of humans, not AI.
Okay, tell me that what is ChatGPT?
ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that answers questions and generate text. It is designed to help users with information and learning.
Okay, how can students use AI?
Students can use AI for research, learning new topics, and improving their writing skills.
Is AI always accurate?
No, AI isn't accurate. It can make mistakes if the data that it learns from is incorrect or incomplete.
Okay, can AI think like humans?
AI can process information and solve problems, but it doesn't feel like humans.
Okay, what industries use AI?
AI is used in healthcare, education, banking, transportation, and many other industries.
Okay, tell me that how does AI help businesses?
AI improves customer service, automates tasks, and helps companies make better decisions.
Okay, what are AI ethics?
AI ethics are rules and principles that ensure AI is used fairly, safely, and responsibly.
How is AI used in smartphones?
Yeah, AI powers voice assistants, face recognition, and smart camera features on smartphones.
Okay, what skills are needed for AI?
What skills? So, programming, mathematics, problem solving, and data analysis are important skills for AI and basically more needed skills, but important this which one skills.
Can AI create content?
Yes, AI can create text, images, musics, and videos based on users' investigations.
Okay, what is the future of AI?
AI will continue to grow and help solve complex problems. It is expected to become more useful in daily life.
What challenges does AI face?
AI face challenges such as privacy concerns, BIS, and the need for large amounts of data.
Okay, how does AI affect jobs?
AI may automate some jobs, but it can also create new opportunities and careers.
Can AI learn on its own?
AI can learn from data and experience, but it still requires humans' guidance and supervision.
Okay, what advice would you give to a student about AI?
Learn the basics of AI and stay curious about technology. AI skills can be valuable for future careers. So please use the AI.
Okay, thank you. So
Thank you,
today our
SN
guest
Business
was
Wala, for
Muniba
inviting me.
Craftwali. Thank you.
Thank you so much, SN Business Wala,